In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI in Google Docs. By the end, you'll know how to draft, refine, and edit content faster using the built-in Help Me Write tools, all without leaving your document. Start by opening Google Docs and either creating a new document or opening an existing one. If you're starting fresh, a blank page works great because it makes the AI options easy to spot. Next, look for the Help Me Write button. You'll usually see it on a blank page or after clicking the plus icon. When you tap it, a prompt box appears. This is where you tell the AI what you want. Be clear and specific. For example, you could say, write a product description for a pet leash, or create a professional email for a client, or even summarize this paragraph and then paste your text. Adding details like audience, tone, or length helps the AI deliver a closer fit on the first try. Click Create to generate content. In a moment, you'll see a draft appear based on your prompt. Think of this as a starting point. Read it through to see if it captures your intent and note anything you'd like adjusted. Now refine the output using the built-in options. Shorten makes the text more concise if it's wordy. Elaborate adds depth and supporting details when you need more substance. Rephrase changes the wording while keeping the meaning. You can also switch the tone between formal and casual to match your context. Don't hesitate to iterate. Apply an option, review, and try another until the draft feels right. When you're satisfied, click Insert to place the content directly into your document. It becomes regular text. You can edit, format, and rearrange like anything else in Google Docs. You can also use AI for editing what you've already written. Highlight any passage and ask the AI to rewrite or improve it, fix grammar and clarity, or expand a brief point into a fuller explanation. It can even help you generate an outline for a report or brainstorm angles to develop your ideas further. Common uses include drafting emails, reports, and essays, brainstorming topic ideas, summarizing long content, creating outlines or first drafts, and improving tone and grammar for better readability. A few important notes before you rely on it. Some AI features may require a Google Workspace account or may not be available in all regions, and you should always review and edit AI generated content for accuracy and suitability. Used properly, AI in Google Docs can significantly speed up your writing, editing, and content creation workflows. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Docs tips and tutorials.